Why do you have the bird?
Say it again.
Why do you?
I catch you when
Let me have the bird.
but yeah.
I have the bird. I have the bird.
You gotta be thankful.
I know how to hold the bird. Let go of the bird.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you want to show the?
No, the bird is not your bird. Take you in for you where you belong. I know, you're scared. I don't know what he was doing with you. Take it away from them. Make sure you can fly okay and let you go. I feel like I'm in the twilight zone here. You probably do too. This is a young seagull. It still has juvenile plumage on its head. Okay, let's see. Can you fly? Come on. Let's see you fly. You're a fledgling. Sugar, your tail feathers. Go in the water because they're going to bother you again. I don't want to take you away from your home. Go back to your parents. I know. You'll be able to fly very soon. This bird is a baby. Leave it alone. The bird is a baby. No. Let it be. You stay away from him.